Welcome to DJH Pristine Sports. I've just acquired this beautiful Jaguar XE 2 litre R Sport. It's in a lovely mid-blue colour with gloss black alloy wheels. Got the black pack all round it as well, as you can see. Full R Sport body styling kit, privacy glass to the rear parking sensors, twin exhausts. Bodywork is absolutely and utterly gleaming on it. Privacy glass to the rear. Boot area's in lovely condition. It's got the full black leather interior with the white stitch piping, electric windows, mirrors. It really is in fabulous condition. It doesn't look or drive like the mileage. It's done 96,371 miles. It's got the leather steering wheel, different driving style modes, 6-speed gearbox. Sounds absolutely lovely. As you can see, it's got the full media pack there. Even got heated seats. Fully loaded. Absolutely everything on it. First park distance control, air conditioning, that's blowing all nice and cold. Great value for money. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please just call them 07503 751 005. Thank you.